Our March take-home packs are ready for pickup now at your local branch. Our maker packs are designed for school-aged children, 5 and up. In the March pack, you'll get all the supplies and instructions you need to put together a leprechaun trap. We create our Get Ready to Read packs with preschoolers in mind. So these are activities great for children's age 2 to 5 who are building early literacy skills. Keep watching this video and I'll show you what's in the March Get Ready to Read pack and also give you some ideas on what to do with it. In the March Get Ready to Read pack, you'll find a copy of the March Early Literacy Calendar. As with every month, I suggest that you put this in a handy spot. Every day, there's a great idea on how you can build early literacy skills with your child. On the back, there are some rhymes along with some book suggestions. Check our social media feeds every Thursday and we'll have a story time featuring one of these books. You'll also get a sheet of instructions and a roll of washi tape. If you're not familiar with washi tape, this is often used in crafts. It's sort of a papery tape and it does stick, but it doesn't leave any kind of sticky residue behind. It's also, because it's paper-based, it writes, you can write really well on it. I've got a few ideas on how you can use this. If you have a baby at home, try tearing some washi tape into short lengths. Stick the pieces down on the tray of a high chair and leave a corner unstuck. You may need to show baby how to grab a corner and pull the tape up. This activity encourages babies and toddlers to use and develop a pincer grasp. It works on hand-eye coordination and it's amazing the amount of concentration that peeling tape requires. You can set this peeling tape activity up at a table, a high chair, or even on the walls, floors, or windows of your home. Simple, fine motor activities like this get little hands and fingers working and prepare children to hold and properly use pens and pencils later on. For a child who is just learning the concepts of letters, put letters on the floor, on a wall, on a window, using washi tape. I would suggest that you start with the first letter of your child's name. That's going to be the easiest one for them to learn and recognize. Once you have it laid out, they can take a car or a small figurine and go over the letter again and again. It'll help them become acquainted with the formation of that letter. For a child who's already grasped this concept, you can go along and do the rest of their name. You can even have that child do the letters themselves. So have them write out their name using washi tape. Have them do the letters of the alphabet. And you can do this anywhere, on a table, on a window, on a wall. This washi tape is really great a tool for that. You can also lay out some shapes and then talk about it and let your child investigate them. Have conversations about how the shapes are different, how they are the same. So for this, you're getting sort of a double benefit. Not only is your child learning about the concept of shapes, you're also increasing their vocabulary and you're encouraging conversations with your children. You're introducing new words and you're having your child bring out new words. The tape is great for labeling items. You can use it to identify who the item belongs to. So things like cups, bags, clothing. So for example, this is my cup because it has my name on it. You can also use the tape to identify what things are. This is a great way to pull in an older sibling. So if someone's learning sight words at your house, they can practice printing those out and putting them on things, and then a younger child can also learn letters and also just recognize that words mean something. The tape is also great for measuring. So have everyone in your house line up and get measured, write their names on it. You're then also putting another spot for someone's name so we can look at letters and recognize them. We can also have conversations in which we compare who is taller, who is shorter. Kawartha Lakes Public Library, millions of opportunities, one exceptional library.